gentlemen, नमस्ते, welcome back. आप सबका कोड एस्टेट के ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल पे स्वागत है. In today's video, we are touring this ultra luxurious mansion. This is an architectural beauty nestled in the prestigious neighborhood of Khandala. In this video, I will be giving you meticulously crafted details of this bungalow. It's a ready-to-move-in, ultra-luxurious estate. Khandala becomes a paradise in monsoon. We're touring this property in the month of July when it's raining, the clouds, the weather. It is so breathtaking, and I'm quite excited to give you a tour of this positive and beautiful bespoke residence. It's a mansion, friends. I won't take much of your time. The video is going to be long, so do watch it till the very end. I'm your host, real estate consultant architect. Let's begin the video. Before I start the tour, do support us by clicking the subscribe button of Code Estate. You can also follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. It is code.estate. So this is the ground +1 plus terrace structure. We also have a basement that has a mini theatre, indoor game room, pool table and many more facilities. If we talk about the plot size, it is 23,000 square feet. Just the lawn is 7,000 square feet. This is a beautiful outdoor space where we get an open swimming pool, fountain, well-manicured lawn and 15 to 20 car parking spaces. Khandala becomes a heaven in this season. The weather is so beautiful. Just look around, it has started drizzling. Imagine you unwinding here with your friends and family. A mansion like this with a private outdoor sitting like that. This place is for the ones who don't like to compromise in their life and truly enjoy bespoke experiences. मौसम इतना सुहाना है कि मुझे अंदर जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन बंगलो का पूरा टूर तो आपको देना पड़ेगा, इसलिए ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लेते, बंगलो के अंदर चलते हैं. तो जैसे आप बंगलो के अंदर एंटर करते हैं, you're greeted by this double-heighted foyer. It is a beautiful designed foyer. आप चाहें तो यहाँ पे waiting area भी बना सकते हैं. We have not filled the space by too much furniture. We've kept things very minimalist and classy. When I talk about the direction, we enter west and we exit east. And when you walk towards the north of the property, this is where you have your private elevator that takes you to level 1 and the terrace. And this side, we have a beautifully designed staircase unit. This can be the selfie points for your kids. इस बंगलो को बहुत दिल से डिजाइन किया गया है. अब हम आ चुके हैं लिविंग रूम के अंदर. लिविंग रूम को देखिए, it's got bespoke furniture, double-heighted formal living space with that amazing imported chandelier. When you're lounging in your living room, that is the gorgeous view that you get. It has a low-sitting sofa. You can lounge here, read a book, enjoy the view of your private lawn. We have taken care of the smallest details for you. The ceiling, the curtains fall straight from the ceiling. We've got marble paneling, and this is the formal living area where you have a television unit. So if you wanna enjoy a Netflix session with your friends, then this is where you can host them. I'm inside the first master bedroom of this mansion. This is the size of the bedroom. They all are very spacious, and the master bedrooms come with that wonderful walk-in closet. It's a dream closet with glass profile shutters. We have wardrobes on two sides, and when we enter the bathroom, that is something I want to show you. So this is how the bathroom is designed. From this bedroom, you can enjoy the view of your garden. If you love monsoon, love rain and really want to enjoy this weather, then come to Khandala. We give you ACs everywhere. अभी तो फिलहाल AC की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि मौसम बहुत ठंडा है, बारिश हो रही है, लेकिन समर में भी आपको गर्मी नहीं लगेगी, और अगर लगेगी तो ये सारी सुविधाएं आपको हम दे रहे हैं. Now I'm walking towards the south of the property. When I take left from my entrance foyer, you land into this dining area. This is the 8-seater bespoke dining table. It is for those meals when you really want to spend quality time with your family. We've got these fancy chandelier installed for you and this crockery unit in premium finishes. Now when I talk about the kitchen, on my right is the kitchen and on my left that is the first bedroom. So the ones who love cooking can take that room because kitchen बहुत पास में है. This bedroom that has a very modern design. We give you marble flooring, that blue paneling with a hanging lamp and a nice vase next to the bed. Bed also has a very unique design. The side tables blend well with the headboard as well, so there is no separation. It's one unit with a TV unit on this side, mirror unit there, cassette AC, fan and an attached bathroom. चलिए bathroom का भी interior देखते हैं. Bathroom की size काफी decent है. It's a rectangular bathroom. It's a real Indian kitchen. इस तरफ हमने दिए आपको बड़े-बड़े windows, quartz के counter, hydraulic drawers, tall unit है उस तरफ. वॉल कैबिनेट शो यूनिट, इस तरफ है पैंट्री, रेफ्रिजरेटर. ये जो आप दरवाजा देख रहे हैं, दिस इज फॉर योर हाउस हेल्प, सर्वेंट्स, ड्राइवर्स. इफ दे वांट टू एक्सेस द किचन दे कैन डायरेक्टली डू इट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. चलिए अब बेसमेंट देखेंगे हम. और दिस इज द व्यू फ्रॉम द बैक साइड. It has taken 2 years to develop this bungalow and truly the outcome is fantastic. We have a pool table. You can even take the elevator and come on this level. That is a party pad with a bar unit. That's a Japanese bar unit. A nice sitting space. And this is your private theatre. This is a luxurious mini theatre. Now as we walk towards the other end of the entertainment floor, we have a fitness center. Now I'm on level 1. यहाँ पे हैं 4 कमरे. इस बंगलो को लगा है 2 साल बनने में, लेकिन बहुत खूबसूरत आउटकम है. आप देखिए वो है व्यू जो आपको इस बंगलो के लेवल 1 से मिलता है. खूबसूरत वादियाँ, ग्रीनरी एवरीवेयर. Looks like a frame. Now let me show you all the bedrooms. Well, it's a 6 BHK fully furnished bungalow. I'm right now in the family area. यहाँ पे on my left there is bedroom number 3 and on my right is bedroom number 4. चलिए पहले bedroom number 3 देखते हैं. So this is the third bedroom. Modern, sophisticated and elegant design. With a king-size bed, antique side tables, we have floor to beam curtains, cassette AC and the best part is the balcony. हमें एक छोटी सी balcony भी मिलती है. This is the good 2.5 feet wide balcony. इस bedrooms के साथ आपको मिलता है attached bathroom. Wow. This is the view from the family room. यहाँ से कहीं जाने का मन क्यों करेगा? It has everything. So peaceful. Bedroom number 4 मेरा favorite है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये दोनों तरफ से खुला हुआ है. तो क्रॉस वेंटिलेशन तो बहुत है और जब आप लेट के रिलैक्स कर रहे हैं तो आपको ये नज़ारा मिलता है और ये इस घर का सबसे खूबसूरत पार्ट है. आपको बड़ी बड़ी लंबी बालकनी मिलती है. A nice king-size bed, a very modern furnished bedroom. Good floor-to-ceiling height also. We get 10.5 feet floor-to-ceiling height. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि bathroom कहाँ पे? Well, this side we have the bathroom. Monochrome bathroom. We've used the combination of black and white, stone and tiles. I have the 5th and the 6th bedroom on either side. ये तो सिर्फ शुरुआत है. सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट है टेरेस. टेरेस हम लास्ट में देखेंगे. पहले हम बेडरूम नंबर 5 देख लेते हैं. This is a decent size bedroom. It has a very nice and contemporary theme. Bohemian interiors. काफी सारे curves यूज किए गए हैं. ये जो हेडबोर्ड है मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट है. यूनिक डिजाइन है ना. उस तरफ है केन के wardrobes. That's your walk-in closet. एंड चलिए हम इस बाथरूम का थीम देखते हैं. बाथरूम का थीम इज प्रीटी मच मॉडर्न. टाइल के कलर का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा है. I really like how this emerald green is going so well with the white tone. Looks amazing. Adjacent to the 5th bedroom is the 6th one. आप सोचोगे कि बेड कहाँ है? Well, the 6th bedroom starts from here, but it has a lounge area and then we have the resting quarter. इस लाउंज एरिया से आप अपना लिविंग रूम को भी देख सकते हैं. दिस इज योर डबल हाइटेड लिविंग रूम जो हमने वीडियो के शुरुआत में देखा था. व्यू देखिए कितना प्यारा है. आपको स्विमिंग पूल का, डेक का, अपने लॉन का व्यू मिलता है. बहुत शांत और प्यारी जगह है ये. दिस इज योर अल्टीमेट bespoke mega suite. The size is phenomenal and the interior is even more wonderful. Very elegant color palette, king size bed, beautiful headboard and golden work done on your paneling. The best highlight of this zone is that wonderful hanging lamp. Window is in the east, so you enjoy the serene views of the hills. West of this bedroom is the walk-in closet. चलिए आपका walk-in देखते हैं. Super elegant design, an island basin, and that is the ensuite bath. Let's check it out. Bathtub with a crystal chandelier. This is what I call elegance personified. You can relax, unwind after a hectic day and enjoy the green views of Khandala. This is the shower area and that is the WC. Also for privacy, while you're changing, you can just slide the door. Now we are on the topmost level. This is the terrace where we have this glass room. Something unique about the glass room is the playful furniture. The colorful, wonderful interiors. When you're chilling in the afternoon and want your privacy, then this is what you can slide and cover this glass room with. Everything is automatic. This is the open to sky space. On the other end also we have a beautiful furnished terrace. Let's look at that one. What a pleasure to tour this property. I'm feeling so sad that the video tour is ending, but we can't take more of your precious time, so we will have to end the tour here. This was an ultra luxurious 6-bedroom hall kitchen mansion with a private pool, private elevator, a nice glass room that we showed you, beautiful landscape terraces, manicured lawn and bespoke furnishing. All the furnishing is imported. We've got fancy lights and top-notch electronic appliances in the property. It is listed at an amazing price. You'll be shocked to know the price, but to know that you have to get in touch with Code Estate. The number of our sales executives is in the description box, so you can contact them and get in touch with us. With this, give me permission to sign out. I'm your host, real estate consultant and architect Simran Gupta. Support us, subscribe to our Code Estate's official YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. It is code.estate.